How to delete a virtual hard drive, a VHD file. If I simply right click on it and delete, the action can be completed because the file is open in system, and try again is not helping. So to delete the virtual hard drive, that VHD file, first of all we have to dismount it. So if it's mounted, a drive letter appears here. In this case is this one, the F. So right click on that drive and click eject. And then the F drive will disappear from here and you will be able to delete the VHD file. So right click on that F drive, in this case, eject. The drive disappeared and now you can right click on that one and delete it. And the file was deleted, it's not there. Okay, now let's just undo that deleting. And what if I don't know which drive belongs to that VHD file? Well, in this case I have to mount it again by double clicking on it. Uncheck that one, for example, and select Windows Explorer and close it with OK. And drive F just appeared. These are the contents of that drive. You can mount the drive in a different manner also. Let's just eject drive F. You can mount it in a different manner also by right clicking the start button, right click, not left click, disk management, action. If these are grayed out, then simply click here, let's say there on an empty area, action, and attach VHD. Now browse to that file which is on the D drive in this case. So D drive, that VHD file, and open. And after I click OK, the drive will appear here and it will appear here also. So that's how to find out which drive belongs to that VHD file. So OK, and drive F will appear here. So that's the new drive which is inside this one. And of course you cannot delete the drive again because it is mounted. You can't delete it. You can dismount it or eject it from here also. So it's this drive, the F. Here on the left side, if you right click on it, here it's called the Detach VHD. Here it's called Eject. It's the same thing. So right click here, let's say, and detach. And after clicking on OK, the F drive will disappear. The contents are still there, it's in this file, but it's dismounted. And now it can be deleted once again, because it was dismounted.